guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own facial mist spray. All we need is 6 roses, 100 grams of cucumber, 1 liter of distilled water, empty bottle spray, and also pot. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to put the roses and the cucumber on the pot, and then we're going to boil it for 30 minutes until the color of the roses fades. Okay, it's almost 30 minutes now, so we're going to check. Okay guys, so our rose water cucumber is already cool and it's ready now. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put this one to your empty bottle spray. Okay, and look at the color is red. Okay, and you know what, and this is natural, no artificial added, and smells good. Okay, so let's try. Wow, so refreshing. Okay, so this one is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and because of the cucumber and the rose we add together, and you have your own natural facial mist. So please, for more videos and tutorial, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. Have a nice, wonderful day, guys.